Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, the Home Cook Hero, back with a new video for y'all just in time for the big day on Sunday. Y'all, today I made some Chipotle and lime wings. They were so good, so spicy with this sauce that we made up. And y'all, I took these wings from looking like this to looking like this right here, y'all. So if you are into it, sit back, stick around, let's go. All right, y'all, so now first things first, I'm just going to season the wings with a little bit of salt and pepper. This is only about 14 wings. You can definitely scale up or down. Y'all know what I always say. And yeah, just season it lightly with a little bit of salt and pepper. Sprinkle a little bit of olive oil, drizzle a little bit of olive oil over the top of it, y'all. Definitely go very simple with the seasonings right here because the star is really that Chipotle lime sauce that we're going to put over the top. And I'm going to make it in a second. But yeah, y'all, I'm just placing the chicken onto a cooking sheet that's lined with foil, and then I just sprayed it with a little bit of cooking spray so the chicken wouldn't stick to the cooling rack. Then y'all place it into an oven about 375 degrees for about 10 minutes. And while that's cooking, I'm going to start on this sauce. So as you saw, I'm going in with about 4 to 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. I'm going in with those Chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. Just one can of that, y'all. That stuff is very spicy. So if you don't like spice, definitely go a little light on that, y'all. Then I'm going in with some honey to kind of counteract some of that spiciness from the peppers. I'm going in with some olive oil. I also went in with a little bit of water later on just to help thin it out a little bit. And now, y'all, I'm just going to cut up a lime. I only use one lime in this, but if you want more, definitely do so. I squeeze some lime on at the end, so it's fine. I got my lime fix at the end. But yeah, y'all, just want to squeeze in the whole lime into it. And then after that, I'm going in with a little bit of salt and pepper because you want to kind of season this up a little bit. You don't want to, just not put any kind of flavor and seasonings up into y'all. I went a little bit heavy with the pepper. You don't have to use as much pepper, but I also went in with a little bit of salt just to kind of bring out all of those flavors, y'all. And now I just used my little NutriBullet and I just blitzed everything all up together to make sure it was all thoroughly combined. And after that, y'all, I'll be back. So y'all, this is basically the consistency you want to have. Like I said, I went in with a little bit of water later on after I put it into this bowl just to make it a little bit easier to kind of like smother all over the wings, as you'll see me do in 1 second. And the reason why we placed the wings into the oven for about 10 minutes or so beforehand is just to give the wings a little bit of a head start. And this is what they look like when I took them out of the oven, y'all. And now it is time to dip these wings into that Chipotle lime sauce, y'all. This is the step I love. I don't really know why, but I don't know. I really feel like I'm doing something. I really feel like I'm making some magic happen right here. So yeah, y'all, just want to make sure you do this with all of the wings. Get them in there nice and good. If you prefer to just kind of like brush the sauce over the top of them as well, you can definitely do that. I like the chicken to be submerged in it, y'all. But then, y'all, I just place them back into the oven for about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes on about 375 degrees. And this is how they're starting to look, y'all. So at this point, I dip the wings again into the sauce, and I place them back onto the rack, put them into the oven for about 10 minutes or so, and then I also put the wings on broil for like another 10 minutes or so. So 10 minutes, a final 10 minutes on regular cooking, and then 10 minutes on broil because I like my wings to be kind of charred with this like Chipotle lime sauce. I really wanted like more of a charred finished product. But yeah, y'all, this is basically what everything looks like. Of course, I got to put my limes on there just so you know that it's Chipotle lime. But yeah, y'all, I'm placing the limes on there, and then I just like to actually squeeze lime and stuff all over the top so that juice can get all into it while the chicken is still nice and warm. Of course, you got to put a little bit of parsley on the top just to make the colors pop, just to make it look a little bit better, y'all. But yeah, y'all, this is all I really have for y'all today, y'all. Just look at these wings. Just take a moment to sit there and look back at those wings. These wings were so good, nice and charred on the outside like I like them, but not burnt. That Chipotle lime sauce really caramelized really well, and then with that honey in there, it really got everything to be nice and bubbly and nice and sticky. And y'all, these wings were really good. I know if you make them, you'll definitely be saying the same thing, y'all. And like I said, remember, these wings are definitely very spicy. So if you don't like spice, definitely reduce those Chipotle peppers a lot. You can even just use the juice if you want to, and not even use the actual pepper that's in there, y'all. You can buy that same sauce just with the juice and not with the peppers as well. So y'all, that's pretty much all I have for y'all today. I really hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you try it out, definitely hope you enjoy watching the video. I really enjoyed making it, and I definitely enjoy eating these daggone wings because they were really good, y'all. But y'all, you can let me know down below in the comments how you feel, how you think, and you can hit that like button, y'all. You can even subscribe to the channel because I'll be uploading videos similar to this every single week. So y'all, with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Later.